हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू मेडिको स्पीक्स। सो गाइस, आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं एक ऐसे टॉपिक के बारे में जो मोस्टली एग्जाम्स में ऐसे डायरेक्टली तो आता नहीं है जिससे क्वेश्चन, बट ये हमारे ऑप्शन एलिमिनेशन में बहुत हेल्प करता है। जनरली जिस टॉपिक पे आज हम पढ़ेंगे दैट इज़ द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ ग्लैंड्स बेस्ड ऑन मोड ऑफ देयर सिक्रीशन। जनरली होता है क्या, एम्स इसके बारे में क्वेश्चन पूछता था, बट अभी एज यू ऑल नो दैट बोथ द एग्जाम्स आर कंबाइंड एज अ नीट. So the chances of coming are a bit less. It helps us to eliminate the options. So before starting, we should have the basic definition of glands, that what glands means. Glands are modified epithelial cells, but if we go according to our NCERT says that modified cuboidal or modified columnar epithelial cells are known as glands. Now as per the topic, we are going to classify the glands based on their mode of secretion. So we can classify them into three classes. अभी तीन क्लासेस हमारे पास कौन सी आती हैं? फर्स्ट आती है हमारे पास होलोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स. अब होलोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स में क्या होता है, फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे हमारे पास ये मेरी बेसमेंट मेम्ब्रेन है, इसके ऊपर मेरे पास एपिथेलियल सेल्स हैं. अब ये एपिथेलियल सेल्स मेरे आगे चलकर मॉडिफाई होंगे किसमें? ग्लैंडुलर सेल्स में. लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल. अब इस टाइप के सिक्रेशन में होता है क्या है, जैसे मान लीजिए मेरा ये वाला जो एपिथेलियल सेल था वो कंप्लीट सेल अलॉन्ग विद इट्स सिक्रेशन यहाँ से बेसमेंट मेम्ब्रेन से अपना कॉन्टैक्ट तोड़ देता है. तो कहने का मतलब क्या हुआ कि जो भी सिक्रेटेड मटेरियल था वो अलॉन्ग विद its cytoplasm or complete cell gets separated from the basement membrane as a part of its secretion. And if we discuss about the concentration of the secretion, that is how concentrated the secretion is, then the concentration of the secretion is very much, that is it is a very viscous kind of secretion. So the most commonly asked question about them is the examples. So the examples of holocrine glands are sebaceous glands, which are present wherever on the skin, wherever hairs are present. This is a basic general rule to remember about the sebaceous gland. That is, they are present on our scalp. That is, and they secrete sebum, which is an antifungal and antibacterial material which prevent infection in our scalp. Also, sebaceous glands are present in facial skin, which secrete some oily secretions that prevent drying of skin. Next come our meibomian gland and Gist gland. These both type of glands are present in our eyes. So this all concludes the mechanism of secretion by holocrine type of glands. That is, the complete gland, the complete cell will be secreted, and the complete cytoplasm or the complete cell is lost. It is highly concentrated secretion. But the gist of the complete holocrine gland is to remember these examples. So next in the line comes our apocrine glands. In apocrine glands, what happen is that for example, we are having this epithelial cell. It modifies into a glandular. Now what happen in these type of apocrine gland is that the secretion which has to be done usually gets accumulated on the apical part. So as we discussed that the secretion get accumulated in the apical part. So during secretion, what happens is that a part of the cell from the apical portion gets separated from here as a form of secretion. Therefore, the part of cell or cytoplasm is lost. If we compare it with the holocrine gland, here the complete cell is lost, but here only an apical part is lost. We can make this out from the name of the gland also, as apo means apical part. We can make it from here also. Next, if we discuss about its concentration, the concentration of the secretion is higher but less than the holocrine type of glands. And lastly, the gist, that is the example. The mammary glands are examples of apocrine type of glands. So this is all about the mechanism of secretion, what is lost in type of secretion, concentration, and the example of apocrine glands. So lastly come our last class of the gland, that is acrine or merocrine gland. Now what happen in this type of secretion is that they are very special kind. Now for example, the cell maturates and here comes the secretory part. Now during secretion, the no part of the cell or cytoplasm is lost. Then how the secretion will occur? The secretion take place by means of simple diffusion. So it is different from the previous two classes. Here some part of the cell is lost, but here the secretion is of watery concentration. That's why it can easily diffuse from the cell membrane. As a result, no part of the cell or cytoplasm is lost. Now the lineage, the gist is that the remaining all glands of the body except these three and this mammary gland are of acrine or merocrine type. So this is a comparative study about the type of glands based on their mode of secretion. So what basically you have to remember is what are the types of glands and their examples. So in order to ease your cramming part, what I have done is I have created a short mnemonic for this. Here the mnemonic goes like this: समझो मम्मी बाकी सब बातें. Now in समझो I can write समझो as SMZHO. It pronounced like समझो, and मम्मी सब बाकी सब बातें is as it is. Now from समझो S, M and Z, here S stands for sebaceous gland, M stands for meibomian gland, and Z stands for Gis gland. So these are type of holocrine gland. From mummy we can make out the mammary glands, as mothers used to breastfeed us during our infantile stages. And baki sab baatein means remaining all. So this is just a short mnemonic. You can remember it. All the gist is just covered in this short mnemonic. So guys, this concludes our topic for the day, that is the classification of glands based on their mode of secretion. If you find any difficulty in understanding any part of the topic, please do let me know in the comment section. And if you want me to make any a video on any specific topic that you feel difficult, please feel free to ask in the comment section, as it would be beneficial for the common being. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon so that you never miss an update from us. Do like, share and comment the video. Thank you. This is Shubhashish Rajoria signing off. Have a nice day.